How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this beautiful 2001 candy red Ford Mustang Roush, and this car is in for a full ceramic coating. So guys, sit back, relax and enjoy the show, and I will give you a little bit more insight about this car. The owner had a pretty good story about this car, so guys, let's get this detail started. So give you a little background about this vehicle. This is a 2001 Mustang Roush, and the customer is actually a Navy veteran, and he bought this car back in 2001. So he was telling me when he approached the dealership, the salesman kind of downplayed him, did not really think that he can afford this car. The customer got upset and he went down to another Ford dealership where there was only one of these models left on the lot, because these models were selling like crazy back then, and he paid cash down for this car back then. And after he bought the car, he drove it to the previous dealership, which turned him down, and they were surprised that this person actually bought the car cash down. So under this candy red, the car is actually a white color, and the customer did some modifications to it. You can see the headlights are different, and he added, I think the side skirts are added, but this paint is actually not that good, or paint guys did not do a really good job on the paint. And on top of that, the body flexes a lot, so you can see a lot of cracks on the paint, and the paint is chipping. But again, the customer wanted to maintain this car. He wanted to get the car fully ceramic coated, because this car will be entering into that 25-year mark, which it will be considered a classic, I think. So guys, if you enjoy this video, make sure to like and comment down below, and let me know what is one of those special cars that you have detailed or you would like to have. So guys, comment down below and let me know. So as you can hear me, I am really running out of breath because that day was actually really hot. This car the customer had left with me for a week because he was on a road trip and he was wanting me to have the car for the whole week. So it stayed in the garage. So first day I just washed the wheels, and the next day early in the morning I got up and washed the car. But as you can see, it was bright and sunny and it was hot. I was sweating like crazy. So guys, in Texas, summers get really hot. So this car is in for the full detail, that is ceramic coating as well included. I will do one step paint correction on the vehicle, and the paint correction will be very minimum because this paint was not actually responding very well, and I wanted to be as careful as possible because there was a lot of flexing in the body parts of this vehicle and there were a lot of cracks in the paint. So I did my best as possible, and I did communicate with that customer as well, and he was happy. But at the end of the day, I gave my 100% and the paint came out amazing. The ceramic coating gave this paint a brand new look. The gloss and the shine was amazing. And guys, if you're wondering what tools and products I'm using, all of these tools and products are listed in the description down below. You can check out those links and you can buy those products. These are affiliate links, so if you buy anything from those links, the channel does get some commission. So guys, support the channel just like always.
good though.